Okay, so here we are, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, periodic inventory sales. Okay, so we're going to do sales, sales returns, and we're also going to do some discounts. So let's take a look. Number 1 says, journalize and assume that sales tax is 8.25%. Okay, so let's take a look here. On April 5th, okay, you sold a total of 100 cups at $5 each, okay, to customer A for cash. Okay. So how are we going to journalize this? That we sold 100 cups at $5 each to customer A for cash. Okay, we're going to journalize cash. Okay, good. Sales. And sales tax. Good. Okay, how much is the sales?
$100? No, I don't know. I think so. I don't remember.
So we purchase 100 cups at $5 each. 500. Good. How much tax am I going to be collecting?
$41.25.
41.25.
Yes.
Okay, so in grand total, how much cash should I be receiving from customer A?
$541.25.
Okay, good. So then I'm going to make a note here. You don't have to do it unless you don't want to, but I'm going to make sure that I sold 100. What did I sell? 100 cups to customer A. Okay. Let's see what's next. Then on April 7th, you sold 25 cups at $5 each to customer B on an account, which you gave him terms 10% if he pays within 15 days. If not, the whole thing is due in 30. So I sold 25 mugs at $5 each to customer B on an account.
Account receivable.
Accounts receivable. Okay, so let's see. 4-7. Accounts receivable.
Sales.
Okay, sales.
Sales tax.
Sales tax. Okay. So how much in grand total sales did customer B buy? Okay, so it's customer B, we sold 25 mugs at $5 each. So what's the total sales?
125.
125 for sales. Okay. And how much tax am I going to be charging customer B?
$10.31.
Okay. So in grand total, how much cash, how much does customer B owe me?
$135.31.
Good. So in this case, I'm going to make a note here that I sold 25 cups to customer B, okay? And we know that's going to be on an account because we gave him terms, which is going to be 10% if, let's see, he pays within 15 days. If not, the whole thing is due in, so if it pays within 50 days or the whole thing is due in 30 days. Okay. So then on April 10, okay, you sold 30 cups for $5 each to customer C for cash. Okay. We sold a total of 50 cups to customer C for cash.
Cash,
Cash, good.
200. Okay. And sell taxes. Payable.
Good. How much was my total sales?
250.
250. How much tax am I going to charge? Forgot the E. How much tax am I going to charge?
$20.63.
Good. So that means in grand total, how much cash am I going to be receiving from customer B? Customer C? 2, 7, 0.
270.63.
Good. So once again, sold to customer C. Oh, wait. Sold 50 cups to customer C. Okay. Next thing we have here is on April 15th, customer A decides to return 10 cups for a full refund. So customer A decides to return 10 cups for a full refund. All right, this is April 15th. Okay. How do we journalize this? If we sold originally 100 cups to customer A and now they're returning 10 of them,
First, you journalize the sell, no?
we already did. We sold it to them on the 5th of April.
Oh, okay. So now we have the sell return and
Good.
what's the tax and cash or whatever. You pay cash, no?
Yes, they paid in cash. We're going to return the sales tax because we already charged them, and we're going to give them back cash. So in this case, if they're returning 10 of those cups, how much am I going to actually return? Okay, each cup originally cost $5 each. Okay, and they're returning to return 10 of them.
So $50.
$50. Okay, good, because we charged them tax already. We need to give them a portion of the tax money back. So how much tax are we going to give back to this customer?
$4.12.
I think it's 12 and a half, so 13.
Yeah.
So in this case, we're giving them back $54.13. And we're going to make a note here that customer A returns 10 cups for full refund. Okay. Good. Let's see what's next. So let's see what's next. Here is then on April 20th, customer C decides to return 25 of those cups, but is willing to accept a 15% discount. Okay. So here, customer C decides to return 25 of those cups, but we convinced him to keep the cups, and because he was unsatisfied for keeping it, we're gonna go ahead and give him 15% discount off of those cups. So in this case, how are we going to record this? So on April 20th,
Allowances
mm-hmm.
or returns?
Sales, returns, and allowances. Good.
The taxes?
Yes, we have to give back the sales tax because we originally charged him, right? We originally collected it from him. Okay. And
He returned the caps?
in this case, no.
No.
But
so you say it was a discount sales, no? Or no?
in this case, right, he's attempting to return those items, but we said no. So instead of giving him a refund, we're giving him a portion of the money back for returning the items. So in this case, it's not a discount itself because it's not something that we offer all the time. This is an individual case where they're attempting to return a product, but we said no. It's not like a regular discount where we offer the discount if he paid, or we offered the discount because we had a store-wide sale. This is because they're attempting to return an item.
Got it.
Mm-hmm. So in this case, if they're willing to accept a 15% discount, let's take a look at what the original was. So we sold originally to customer C 50 cups, okay, at $5 each. Okay. So in this case, we're only going to be discounting 15%, right? That's what it says, that we're going to give him a 15% off of 25 cups. Okay. So in this case, what would that be? So they're trying to return 25 cups at $5 each. But we're only going to give a portion of that money back. We're only going to give 15% back. So how much are we going to give customer C?
$18.75.
$18.75 is correct. Okay. So $18.75. Now, of course, because we discounted the sale price, right? And we already charged the sales tax, we have to give that portion of the money back because we're discounting $18.75. So how much tax are we having to give back?
$1.55.
Okay, hold on. This was $18.75. Okay, times 15%. Try that again. Try calculating that again. Because I didn't get $1.25.
Calculate the taxes from the disc. No, I got it. $10 and 30, 31, 32 cents.
Okay, I did not get that either.
No, how many there was? I forgot.
It was 25 of those
25.
cups, at
Cup.
$5 each.
Yeah. You got a return of $5 each. Okay.
Hold on, 1875 times 0.025.
So it was $1 and something that I told you before,
Yeah,
no?
yeah, $1.55. Sorry. So
That's,
five. So
it's okay.
five.
I was right. So
So
that's
it
good
was
thing.
546. So
555.
yes, 155.
555.
Yes.
155, exactly.
Okay. Sorry about that. So how much cash am I actually giving back to customer C?
$20.05.
5 plus 5 is 0.
05.
312. Wait, what? How much money did you get back?
$20.05. That's how it is, no? It's
$20.05?
is 1850, no? That 18. It was 1875. Sorry, I made a mistake.
Okay. 1875 plus $1.55.
20.3, yes.
It's $20.30 we're going to refund. So in this case, customer C returns 25 cups for 15% discount. Last question we have here is that on April 22nd, customer B decides to pay for his purchase and he meets the discount period. So in this case, customer B pays for his amount. So let's take a look at what customer B paid. So in this case, right, he purchased a total of 25 mugs, $5 each. Okay. And he got charged the tax of $10.31. So in this case, he owes me a grand total of $35.31. Okay. So in this case, right, he's going to make a payment to me. And he meets the discount period because he purchased it on the 7th and he's paying within exactly 15 days. Right? So in this case, he gets the 10% discount. Now, what amount are we going to actually be discounting here?
The discount's going to be off the 125.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what's 10% of 125?
$12.50.
Good, $12.50. Excuse me. So then in this case, right, how do I journalize that one customer B is giving me a payment? So I should be receiving what?
Cash.
Right, I should be receiving cash, right? And because this was on an accounts accounts receivable, right? I have to, since they met the discount, right? I have to record that I'm not going to get all the money, right? I have to do a sales discount. What else do I need to also give back?
Taxes.
Yes, because we originally charged the taxes for the full amount. In this case, because they're receiving a discount, we also have to return that portion of the money that isn't ours. And last but not least, what's my last thing I need to recognize? They're making a payment to me on what they owe.
Cash.
No.
Account
payable.
not.
Okay, accounts receivable, okay? All right. So let's go ahead and just jot that down first. So how much do they actually owe me in grand total?
$135.31.
Okay, so that's what they owe me in grand total. $135.31. Okay. Now we already figured out what the discount was. It was $12.50 because it was based off of $125, right? 10% of 125 is $12.50. Okay. So if that's the case, if my discount was $12.50, how much tax am I having to give back as well?
From the discount.
Mm-hmm.
$1 and 0.31
So $1 and what?
and 0.31.
So in this case, can you charge? Okay, so in this case, I'm going to be giving back $1.03, right? So then, what amount of cash am I going to be receiving from customer B?
One 148.34.
Why is he paying more? He should be paying less, right?
Less.
Wouldn't it be 123.84? Because we have
Yes.
to take the discount
Yes.
from what he paid before.
Okay, but we're also giving him a portion of the money back to tax. We need to include that as well.
531.
So 135.31, right? We're gonna refund for the discount, so that's $12.50. Right? And we're also going to return the tax because we originally charged the tax. So in this case, how much should I?
121.78.
Good. Okay. And if you did your whole journal, right, this column of your debits should match your total credits. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and make a note here that customer be paid in full and received 10% discount. Okay. All right. That is it. All right. Any questions here?
No.